Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Simi and hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys some lipstick swatches from the brand Lakme. It is the Lakme Forever matte liquid lip color. So I have 4 shades from them. So these are not the new launches, but yes, they have come up with some new color variants. So I have few of them in this. So I'll be sharing with you guys all the 4 shades I have with me. These are the 4 shades I have. So if you guys are interested, please do keep on watching, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click onto the red color subscribe button and you will see a chotu sa bell icon. Don't forget to hit that as well so that you get notified whenever I come up with my next video. So without further wasting any time, let's get started. So the first I'll be talking about the nude shade I have along with me. The first shade I have is Nude Dream. Now it's a beautiful nude color. This is more of a brownish pinkish nude, if that makes any sense. I'll give you a swatch of this. This is how the packaging looks like. It is a plastic bottle, and the quantity it comes along is, let me just check it. Okay, it's a 5.6 ml product and the MRP of this is rupees 285. So I got it in some like offer. Swatch of the shade Nude Dream. So okay, so it has this doe foot applicator. If you can see, this is how it looks. It doesn't fix a lot of product at a time. You have to dip it twice, I guess. For me, I need it twice for a full coverage, and it's a purely matte product. It dries within 1 or 2 minutes. It's just transfer proof. I have it on my lips. So the Nude Dream shade is, I'll give it here. Okay, if you can see, this is how the shade looks like. Okay, this is a pinkish brownish nude shade. It will look good for every skin tone. If you are dark skin tone, if you are brown skin tone, if you are fair skin tone, it will look perfect on every skin color. So the next shade, again the nude shade I have, is the shade Mauve Party. It's a beautiful nudish mauve color. This is how it looks. It might look similar on screen, but there is a difference. It's a bit dark as compared to this one. Compared to Nude Dream, the Mauve Party is a bit dark. I'll give you a swatch for this as well. So here is the swatch. Here is the swatch. So this is again a very beautiful color. Mostly these two are sort of similar colors, but if you are going to buy any of this, I would suggest not to go for the other one, because that will not make any sense, because it has very beautiful shades in the entire range. So you could go for that as well. So I'll just mention about the offer I got. There was an offer going on Nykaa that if you get 2 of the lipsticks, you'll get 1 for free. So the 2 shades I got was Mauve Party and the shade Crimson Rose. With this I got this shade, the Nude Dream, for free. So the free shade they have mentioned here, tester, not for sale. I don't know why this is what they have mentioned in the free product, but it was totally packed and like sealed. Everything was okay. So I'll just give you a swatch. I'll just give you a swatch of the shade Crimson Rose, the shade number 4. This is a beautiful, again reddish maroonish red color, which is perfect for brown skin people. I love this color, and I'll show you guys how it looks like. Wow, I love this. It's a very pretty color, I must say. This is how the color looks like. Okay, So this is again a very beautiful shade for all skin people, especially this is a perfect red shade for brown skin people. And I have few of the red shades which are gonna be looking good on brown skin. So if you guys are interested, you can comment it down. I'll make a video on that as well. And the next and the last shade I have is the red sangria. It is again similar to this one, what is crimson rose, but not same. It is similar but not same. I'll give it a swatch next to it so that it gets clear to you. It's more of a maroonish shade rather than a red one. This is how the shade is. This is again a very beautiful shade for all skin tone, whether you are dark skin tone, whether you have oily fair skin tone, whether you are dark skin tone, whether you're fair skin tone, this is gonna look perfect. So these are the 4 shades I have from this range. All the shades are very beautiful. Other than these 4 shades, all other shades are also very pretty. I love all of them. I'll just wish to get them really very soon, and if you guys want, I'll make a video on that as well. So for today, this is all what I have to share with you guys. Suggestions, please do comment it down in the comment section. I would love to go through it, and all the details of all these 4 shades I will be providing in the description box, so please don't forget to check that. If you guys like my video, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click onto the red color subscribe button. You will get to see a chotu sa bell icon as I mentioned. Don't forget that to click onto it, otherwise you are not going to get notified with my next videos. So till then, bye bye, take care. I'll be seeing you soon.